So how do you open a document on the Apple Watch? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos and tutorials like this one. Well, the Apple Watch doesn't really have the Files app built in, so we need to download an application which is going to supplement for it. Right, so on the iPhone that is paired to your watch, look up the App Store and type in a PDF Watch Viewer. There are more apps of this sort or kind, but this one gets the job done. So this is the one I'm going to show you. But the way that it works is that you open up the app and import your files into the app, right? So you click on the plus button, choose a PDF or a different type of document. It might be like a spreadsheet or a Word document, right? Whatever. But essentially, once you import it in here, it will get automatically synced with the Apple Watch, right? So on the Apple Watch, the app for this, this from this developer should also appear, and you can tap on it and you should be able to start browsing those files. Of course, I need to mention that it's not going to be the most convenient experience. Like the Apple Watch screen hasn't been designed for it, so you will have to use the zoom feature quite a lot to get anything from that file, but I guess it gets the job done. Like, it is possible to see something, right, for whatever reason you might need it. But yeah, let me know if it works for you. In case of any questions, leave them below. But thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials.